Welcome to my channel. Step ahead with a new video. Today I'm here with a simple remedy for weight loss. Cream. You will see visible results overnight. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. The ingredients needed for this simple remedy are easily accessible at your local department store. First, we're going to begin with the ingredient alum. This ingredient is a well-known antiseptic that is used to get rid of pimples and head lice. The next ingredient we'll be using is Vicks Vaporub. Normally this product is used to clear the sinuses when you have a cold or flu, but it's great at burning fat as well. Covering various body parts in Vicks and applying a tight cover can result in weight loss. To make results more effective, we're also going to add baking soda into the mix. You won't find a remedy as simple as this anywhere else, but you'll always be sure to find simple tips on this channel. Alum typically comes in crystal form, so it first must be ground into a fine powder using 2 tablespoons of alum powder and combining it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of Vicks will be the first steps in creating this cream. Before moving on to the next step, I'd like to remind you to quickly subscribe to my channel. Mix the alum powder and the Vicks thoroughly. This cream will help to trap heat, resulting in sweating over time. This will result in weight loss. For the very last step, we'll add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the mixture. If you think the consistency is too thick, add more Vicks. The consistency should feel like a normal smooth cream that will stick to the skin. Now let's apply a thick layer of this mixture anywhere on your body where you'd like to see a reduction in weight. I covered the mixture with a bandage, but you may use a plastic wrap. You can find either of these things at your local market. Make sure to fasten the wrap tightly so you sweat more and in turn shed more weight. Apply this cream for 2 hours or leave it on for the whole night. If you prefer, the results will leave you with a reduction in fat after just 1 day. You can apply this formula to a double chin, belly fat, or anywhere else you would like to lose weight. Let us know in the comments if you try this simple remedy. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.